So today I'm gonna show you how to create nice um, design studio for your any type of images, any type of cars or whatever you want to change the color. And for now I will explain you how to create from scratch your HTML page. First, you should. I use VS Code. It's very common use editor for any code that you write, and PHP, any format that you use for coding. And here, for me, I always use zip for Windows. I install 64-bit, and in my downloads I find, after downloading, I find the code setup, click on and put yes for installing your VS Code. It's pretty simple to realize. So after you got your editor, you start to program. I already created this code, but I show you how then to use it. So first you put this exclamation sign and make enter. So after clicking, you will get the template for any HTML codes. You then manage all what you want, but this is template. It consists of necessary part. It's a body, head. Also need always to add this string as name viewport, content with device, and scale 1. It will give you right shape for objects and place it in properly. So after I did the same. I have the same as I showed you, but I already added some more types. I added script with this resource src with library, JavaScript library with JS color. That will give me some options, features that I after will use in JavaScript. So styling, it's pretty simple. I just describe here and give some design features for using two classes. First class, it's a colors. I can show you it is located here, and also then color it locates here, because it will give me implementation, as we can see at the picture. What here we just manage we open manager and code manager and find this block. It consists of 6 type of colors. Of course, you can change it, as well as the picture, and I will show you now how to change pictures. So let's change first our color. So next, just navigate on the code, color code, and put whatever you want to change. Next, and one, the last, it will be like white, something like that. So after I save it, if you have the here dot, white dot, you should save. Always Control S. So I prepared here some 4 text image. It's called that I will put here in resource the certain path to my image and put here alt like a description, because it's very important you put alt, because if you use SEO like a search machine from Google, they will research all websites that we have in the internet, and it help you if you describe with more details, it will help to find exactly your page with the certain information for people if they search something about the certain theme issue and you want to provide some information. You should write down here. It will give the search machine from Google quicker gives result. A result is your page, of course. Here I will put div because I want to create a block with a container. I will create class container and describe this class with certain features. Max width, for example, 1100 pixels, margin after, and display block. If I want to add some more features, I will do it. For example, with high and so on, or flex, change block or to flex, but it depends on the situation. What design do we want to see at your page? So I created it, applied, and I want to load it. For me now it will be empty, only colors. So I want to put inside of resource in image stack some images. Whatever I want, I choose different type of machines. So I prepared here some links with those images, and I located here. So here in SRC, I will put this link. Let's check. Yes, we have it. So here I will put as image this name as alt. It's like subtitle. It's a description about your image. What did you do here? What did you show? So next this one, the same property I get from this, and two more. Here this numbers is not important to apply, so let's choose something more, something like I don't know, like that, because it will give more profit to change. It's the good view to change color, because if I use this, it will not be so clear what we change, because a lot of colors on the black background you will see more just because of that, but you can choose whatever you want. So the last one, Bugatti, numbers not important. because people will, if in Google search in this panel, you will just write Bugatti and so on. You will Bugatti car, and if your page will be so popular to visit, it will be on the first of this on the top of ranking coach, on the top of ranking, and you will find out your website somewhere here, or second row, or third row, or fourth row. It will be very popular. But for that, it's important to manage your website and gives important information in each type of your tag. For example, if you give H1, it's a title. You need to choose right words to describe what you do, what you show, due to quickly find your website and provide more information for people, and therefore your website become more popular. Cars Design Studio, for example. So now let's check it out. So we have here 4 beautiful pictures with cars and so on. We want to have your title in the middle of the page. You should put this feature. Center, align center, or text align center. Due to make it with this distance between each part of the code, you can from the top and from the other tab, from the top and from your box with cards, with images. So if as we see, the card is exactly in the middle, but our block with images is not exactly. Due to eliminate this changes, we put for container, we find out due to the with navigation the class container and to change. For example, I always use this panel due to just manage what I try to what will be the most precise changes. I just to do tests, and then I apply in my code the certain amount of pixels and or colors or other padding margin amount of pixels. Okay, for different properties, I must at first check out what would be the most precisable data. So if we put 6, 9. If we put 85 is not enough. It would be good for 900 pixels. And we have better result. So put it here, find container and put 909. So now for this video, I showed you how to put start your web page with some changes and create page, and after you should after we will apply different colors for our cars. So